Hi everyone, today I will set up a website that's using Umbraco A. Open the Visual Studio, click on the file, new project, web application, browse the folder that you want to install the solution. I will install it to the Umbraco A folder. And to install Umbraco A, you need the .NET Framework 4.7.2. It cannot install on the previous version of the .NET Framework. It must be 4.7.2. Click OK. M3, MVC. Alright, open the web browser. Go to the Umbraco website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on how to download Umbraco and click this button. Right now I will install the latest version of the Umbraco CMS, so just copy this link, go back to Visual Studio, click on the tool, navigate Package Manager console, paste the type that you should copy from the Umbraco website, hit enter. Right here, I will override the global file, so Y enter. Right click the solution, build solution, and then go to the Internet Information Service Manager, append the first folder, right click on the side folder, add website. Umbraco A0.cms.com. Copy this line, paste into the host name, click add to host file, and point to the physical part. That is, I'm sorry, it's not C, E. Scroll down to the Umbraco A. Umbraco website right here. Click OK, and then OK again, and it's ready. Here's the website. Click on the right side. Click on the browse website. Go back to the web browser. Waiting for installing the Umbraco. gmail.com. Umbraco A. Umbraco A50, and click install. Alright, it's done. And this is the Umbraco CMS. Content, media, settings, packets. You can install the packet right here. Users, member, forms. Let's log out Umbraco CMS to see how it's on the website. Alright, this is the problem. We have to remove this one from the web.config file. Go back to the Visual Studio, pin views folder, double click on the web.config, and come out it light. Save. Go back to the web browser, refresh the page. That's it. Product, people, about us, contacts, blog, and home. If you want to develop the CMS, go back to the Umbraco by /umbraco, enter, and type your email that you created in here. Gmail. Now you can start to develop your own website